Welcome to It's Rafi. In this video, I am going to show you how to use formula and functions in MS Excel 2010. Here I am creating students' reports. At first, we have to write the title of the worksheet. For that, we can do merge and center. First, select the cells and from the ribbon click merge and center and write the title of the worksheet. For example, progress report. And now write the information. First column name, subject 1, subject 2, subject 3, subject 4, total and percentage. If you want to change the column width, you can click and drag and you can adjust the size of the column. As we don't need that much space for subjects, we can make it smaller, and for the name column we need little bit more space, so we can make it little large. Now write some demo information in the worksheet. Total we can do in two ways, by autosum or by writing formula. For autosum, select the numbers from 88 till 85. Now on the ribbon click autosum. When you will click autosum, the total mark will appear in that cell. Now by writing formula, type equal sum sum bracket on, write the cell address of 88, that is B3, write is to symbol. Now write the cell address of 85, that is E3, bracket close, enter. Here you will see the total mark. Now we can copy this formula to other cells. Click at the corner of the cell and drag it. So this formula will copy to all other cells. Now to write percentage, go to the cell, that is G3, type equal, write the obtain mark, that is 355. Just click on the cell, type divide symbol, write the total mark, which is 400, and into 100. So here you will see the percentage 88.75. Now go to the corner of the cell and drag till last. The formula will copy to other cell. Now to put border on the table, select all the information, go to borders, select all borders. Here you can see borders. If you need some predefined styles, click on Format as Table, select any style. Now conditional formatting. Suppose I want to show the marks in red color who have failed. Like in which subject marks is less than 35, I want to show them in red color. Go to conditional formatting, new rules, select the second option. Now cells value between there, first write the starting number 0 and the ending number is 34. Now go to format. Here you can assign some formatting rules. Suppose I want to give red color, so go to fill, red color, and click on OK. Again click on OK. Here you will see which subject contained 23 mark is displaying in red color. Now suppose I want to show the percentage who have more than 80 in green color. Select the percentage, go to conditional formatting, new rule, select the second option, write the starting value as 80 and the ending value 100. Now we can give two ways, either text color or back color. Suppose here I want to give font color. Go to font, color, green, choose green, then OK. Click on OK. Again OK. Oh, this is so light color, we have to put some dark color. Again go to conditional formatting, manage rules, now to find out maximum number from the subjects, right, max number or marks, go to the next cell, type equal max bracket on, select all the subject numbers, don't select the total marks, starting number that is B3 and ending number that is E3. So the highest mark is 92. Again for minimum marks, write min marks, go to next cell, type min bracket on, select starting number is to ending number, bracket close, enter. And to find out the average number, same procedure, equal average bracket on, starting number 88 to ending number that is 23, bracket close. 88 cell address is B3 and 22 is E3. So the average mark is 65.81. Now how to insert charts. Suppose I want in charts only the total marks and names. I don't need the subjects. So we have to select only two columns. First select name column, pressing the Ctrl key, select total column, go to insert column, select any style from there. Your chart will appear here. To resize the chart, from the corner drag it. To save the workbook, go to file menu, click on save as, type the workbook name, and then click on OK. Thank you for watching. See you in next video.